Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of skincare with a natural twist, and in this video, we'll explore DIY turmeric face masks to unveil the secret to radiant, glowing skin. So grab your apron. Introduction to turmeric. First things first, let's talk about our star ingredient, turmeric. Not only is it a staple in many kitchens for its vibrant color and rich flavor, but it's also a powerhouse in skincare. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can work wonders for your skin. Before we begin, remember, turmeric can temporarily stain the skin, so it's essential to do a patch test and avoid contact with clothing you cherish. Now, let's dive into our first turmeric face mask recipe, turmeric and honey face mask. For our first DIY turmeric face mask, we'll combine 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Honey is not only a natural humectant, but also possesses antibacterial properties, making it perfect for acne-prone skin. Once you've achieved a smooth consistency, it's time to apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes to let the magic happen. While we wait for the mask to work its wonders, let's discuss the benefits of turmeric for the skin. Benefits of turmeric for the skin. Turmeric boasts a myriad of benefits for the skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe conditions like acne, eczema, and rosacea, while its antioxidant content aids in combating free radicals, thus slowing down the aging process. Additionally, turmeric promotes an even skin tone and helps fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Incorporating turmeric into your skincare routine can truly transform your complexion, giving you that coveted radiant glow. Rinse and results. Alright, it's time to rinse off our turmeric and honey face mask with lukewarm water. And voila! Look at that radiant glow. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. So aim to incorporate this mask into your routine 1 to 2 times per week for best results. Additional tips. Customize your mask. Don't hesitate to personalize your turmeric face mask to address specific skin concerns. For instance, if you have dry skin, add a teaspoon of yogurt or mashed avocado to boost hydration. Alternatively, for oily or acne-prone skin, incorporate a few drops of tea tree oil or aloe vera gel to enhance the mask's antibacterial properties. Consistency is key. Achieving beautiful, glowing skin takes time and dedication. Alongside incorporating turmeric face masks into your routine, prioritize other skincare practices such as cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun. Remember, consistency is key, so stick to your skincare regimen diligently, and you'll reap the rewards of healthy, radiant skin in no time. That's a wrap on our DIY turmeric face mask journey. I hope you enjoyed exploring the beauty benefits of this golden spice as much as I did. If you give this mask a try, be sure to share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things skincare and self-care. Until next time, stay glowing, my friends.